Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Betterment versus Wealthfront, which is best for you. Let's get right into it. So what are the main differences of these two platforms? Well, the primary differences lies in their investment and performance. Now, Wealthfront provides a detailed and regularly updated report on its investment returns, its portfolio, both annual returning ranging from 7.62% to 8.52%, depending on whether they're tax advantage or taxable. On the other hand, Betterment lacks a comprehensive performance tool and tends to exclude certain periods from its analyzed data. Its portfolio turns over slightly above 8.8 per year, although this figure may fluctuate in the future. Now, regarding the investment options, Wealthfront allows investment in cryptocurrencies, index funds, sustainable ESG, environment, social, and governance funds, and ETF, emerging market funds, and other customizable options. Now, Betterment, while including cryptocurrency management and bonds or stock, ETFs exclude index funds return, resulting in a narrow range of investment options compared to Wealthfront. Now, in terms of tools, both platforms offer useful features, enhancing account value, and Betterment provides tools like the goal saving tool, retirement planning tool, charitable giving tool, and tax impact review tool. Additionally, for premium investors, it offers a human touch. Now, Wealthfront, meanwhile, offers similar tools along with a path financial planning tool for multiple financial goals and projecting estimated wealth. Now, it also includes a self-driving money tool for automating bill payments but lacks a human advisor feature. Now, both platforms refrain from charging extra training fees, only imposing base and advisory fees more. However, they operate under the regulation of various authorities, including SIPC, SEC, and FINRA. Now, conclude, Wealthfront emerged as a superior choice due to its broader change of investment types and greater control over portfolio holdings. Now, however, it's recommended Betterment for novice investors seeking automated portfolio management with the option of human advisory services. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.